Hi everyone, and welcome to springtime here at Lurvey's. Hi, I'm Jill, and normally I'd be teaching a spring container class, but since we can't be face-to-face right now, I'd like to show you how to put together your own spring container. So what I've done is I've planted a 12-inch container with our regular potting soil, our back-to potting soil, and I've also added our Lurvey Select slow release fertilizer, so it will continue to nourish the plants that we have planted right now. What I've done is I've started with a bulb set, a beautiful daffodil set, and it's a 6-inch set, and I've planted that in the middle. And then what I've done is I've grabbed some beautiful 4-inch annuals, and I'm going to pop those out just like this and come in and plant that down. And I'm using a beautiful daisy right here, and then this is called Blueberry Hill Pansy. And I'm going to plant 2 of those on either side. And I just love this color for this time of the season. And as you notice, it's beautiful to have the same yellow that I have in the daffodils. So on either side, I'm going to come in and then move my soil back around. I have this great mid-size for height to kind of go next to the daffodil. I have a nemesia, and I'm just going to use this beautiful white color. And again, I'm going to plant that on either side. Real quick like that. Okay, move my soil back around. And then just for the back, I'm going to come in and do one more pansy. Put that in the back. Take some of my soil out so I have plenty of room. All right. So what you could do too is if you wanted to have a little more trailing of a plant or something that cascades down, you could add a variegated ivy or possibly a Lismachia or just a plain ivy, and you could do that just by dropping it in like that. So this is a beautiful container for spring that we've done. Also, I'm adding some pussy willow branches that you can pick up. And again, I just think this makes it so pretty for spring. Kind of brightens up our days right now. And you don't have to add too many. You can just come in and take a look and see maybe just something about like 5. And this would be something that we would add to our class, our container for our class. So now we have our finished spring container. Something that we have new going on right now is lurveys.shop. It is our online purchasing. Everything that you see, including the soil and the container, are available for you to shop online. We have a curbside pickup going on, so you pay for it, you come by, give us a call, and we'll run it right out to your car. So also I want to thank you for joining me today. Make sure you check us out on social media, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and I hope to see you real soon here at Lurvey's. I wish you health and happiness to your family, and I'll see you next time.